Here, the dude and I are heading out to the big barn. Gonna go see Bucky. Hey, Buck! Buck's almost prehistoric. He was given to us free horse, Terry and Mary Fry. I think he's 33 or 34 years old, which in human terms is like over 100 years old. He's a great old character. Deb works really hard to keep him alive, but I'm gonna put his halter on. He's kind of a, look at him, he's kind of a maniac. Hey, back up, buddy. Come on, come on. You know what? I'm gonna put this halter on you. What the heck are you doing here, buddy? Oh, yeah. I understand. I understand. Here we go. Come on, right through here. Come on. Come on. Oh, what? That's only dude. It's only dude, man. Oh, no wonder they didn't. I left the goofy thing hooked up. Well, what the hell? Here. Ow. This is insane. What the hell kind of a deal is here? No, you can't come through until I figure out what the hell I'm doing here. Hey. Here. Come here. There. Okay. Okay, there we go. Kind of a communist outfit is this? Okay, Buck. Duty, how you doing? Okay. Whoa. Come on. Dude, Bucky, I'm just gonna let you go. Where do you want to go? Back to the barn or out to the pasture? Or on the grass over here? Kind of let Bucky, kind of let the lead line down so he kind of slows down and doesn't trip over himself. You want to go in the barn? Here he comes. Arr! What I have to do now is let him into the zone here. Hey. Just take it easy. He's a crazy man for 103 years old, whatever the heck he is. Come on, take it easy. Hey. Knock it off. Come here. Come on in here. There's all the girls waiting for their buddy Bucky. Did she put down? Yep, there it is. I can't figure this stupid halter out here. What the hell? Kind of a communist. You know, here, hey. Come here. God. Okay. Oh, Bucky. You know, 112-year-old man here. There it is. Okay. Leave me alone. You old geezer. He's gonna have his chow right there, which is some concoction Deb comes up, beet pulp and nuts of Tasmanian. Oh, I'm supposed to put it up there, I guess. He's supposedly up there. He's tipping it over. What a beautiful thing. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it on the notice sign right there. Probably the goofy. Should probably close this up here. But here's my life. Hey, genius. What's going on? This thing still blinking? Yep, still recording. What a beautiful thing. My phaser glasses. Hey, dude, where are you? There's a whole bunch of other equestrian beasts. What are you doing, dude? Okay, here we go. In the continuing saga, there's a chunk of corn. Look to see if I caught any rats here in the feed room. No, no sons of bucks. Okie dokie. How's it going, dude? Hope these things work. There's a corn on the cob here. Let's feed one of these. Crazy. There's Poppy. Needs the SOB that keeps getting out of the doggone cage here. Ooh. Here, eat some corn there, Poppy. Crazy SOBs. Okay, dude, we're signing off here in equestrian land. In the continuing saga of why Gary doesn't have a fishing boat.